I'm Jared Burt. I'm a senior predictive maintenance tech at APS. The goal of today is to go out and sort of inspire the next group of young, aspiring engineers and employees that are going to make the next decisions of our company.
So to show them that it's just not about being an electrical technician, and it's not just about being a mechanical technician or being just an operator in the plant. There's so many more opportunities with APS to go out in the field and do infrared technology or learn how to fly a drone, because our grid is much more than just a power plant.
I'm really interested in drones, and I do drones on the side, and seeing this industrial grade drone used in the field makes me really excited to learn more about this field and hopefully do something like that in the future.
My favorite part was definitely using the cameras because it was hands-on. The thermal cameras are showing us different wavelengths of light and energy that we cannot see with our eyes.
I think it puts a reality to it when we talk about trainers, we talk about the equipment that we use in class. Sometimes it's still not clicking. It's great to be hands-on, but to see it from an employer side and have them talk about how they use it out in their field is a great way for the kids to really connect what they're learning in class to what's out there.